Good morning, Dr. Paul Maloof here from Tidewater Orthopaedics. I'm here with one of my favorite patients, Becky. She had come to see me, I don't know, maybe a couple of years ago, and I think she was complaining of some ankle pain. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, what was the story? What was going on?
So when I was 21, I fell off a horse and I had a really bad fracture with a surgery, ORIF, and I had post-traumatic arthritis.
Okay.
So I was to the point where I really couldn't walk at the end of the day when I came to see you.
Okay. And what did I tell you initially? What did I think was, going on as far as, what we could do for you?
Well, you had told me that I was bone on bone and you could do a total ankle replacement.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what we did.
And if you don't mind me asking, how old are you again?
I'm 45.
Okay, so 45 years old, you're kind of at that point in your life where you say, what can I do? I can't interact with my, friends and family, do the things I like to do. And
right. I have an 8-year-old daughter. I'm very active. I like to go to the gym. I love to ski. And it was really getting to the point where it was impacting my quality of life.
Okay. So we did an ankle replacement.
Yes.
How long ago was that now?
A year.
A year, okay. So tell me, 1 year later, what's happening? How do you feel?
I feel great. It's really very, very functional. I can walk at the end of the day. I'm back to the gym. I'm skiing.
You're skiing?
Yes.
That's amazing. That's amazing. You're skiing. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
good. So, going forward, you plan on doing everything that you used to be able to do?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I can't run and jump,
Okay.
no high impact stuff.
Sure.
But other than that, I make modifications at the gym and I'm back to skiing and back to playing with my daughter. And
Okay.
I don't have that debilitating pain at the end of the day, which is fabulous. So
Wonderful.
thank you so much.
You're very welcome. You made my day. Thanks so much. Everybody out there, if you have any kind of pain like this in your ankle, please don't hesitate to come see me. Again, Dr. Paul Maloof, Tidewater Orthopaedics, here with Becky, 1 year out from her total ankle replacement.